here to present our evaluation on Facebook. Um, Facebook is a popular social media platform used for communication, entertainment, and online interaction.
So the purpose of this evaluation is to determine the usability and effectiveness of Facebook for its users. And its feature is offers different features such as Messenger for chatting, groups for communities, pages for businesses, and videos or reels for entertainment.
So, how we evaluated? To evaluate Facebook, we use a questionnaires based on based on the system usability skills or SUS. We asked several responded to rate their experience from 1 to 5. Um, Based on result, most users found Facebook easy to use. They also felt confident while using the platform and did not find it ever complicated.
Advantage at disadvantage. The advantage of Facebook include easy application and free access and many features. However, it also has disadvantage such as fake news, privacy risks, and can be addictive. Conclusion. In conclusion, Facebook is useful and user-friendly platform. However, users should be responsible and careful